This radio is a tool composed of plastic matter used to give information and hearing sounds. It acts as radiological waves. In traditional use it's more common, but now due to have another of equipment this common use. And this radio have two buttons. This button used to change the frequency like this, and this button used to increase and decrease the value.
This is box Iran, and behind it tubing Iran short, and in the box Iran is a device called telephone. It's used to communication between human.
That's the car. Car is machine human use it to make their work simple, and you can going by car anywhere you want. It's composed of iron, which is too much strong, and have in many color and form in all country is best way to work. It work by benzene.
It is a basket made in wood, and people use it to throw away wastes to protect the environment.
It is a machine has made in plastic. It is a bottom part have a knife due to milling the structure that we need. It is the above part, a motor in it, work within electric energy, and the power used to make juice and milling food.